So for this video, I will show you how to fix you are following too fast in TikTok. So now, go ahead and launch the TikTok application. So once you go to your inbox notification by tapping the icon which is found below, and you notice a text appearing on top saying you're following accounts too quickly. Please try again later. The only way to solve this problem is to report. So to report this problem, tap on your profile icon which is located on the lower right corner. And from here, you will notice the three horizontal lines seen on the top right corner. Tap that icon, and then select Settings and Privacy. From here, you will need to scroll down until you find Report a Problem. Select this option, and then under Topics are different categories. Select the follow, likes, or comments since our issue has something to do with following. Now tap this option, and then under Follow, select Following Too Fast. Select No, and then tap on Need More Help. So here you will write down the details regarding your issue. If you're done writing the message, you can now hit the submit button. And now all you can do is wait until TikTok resolves your problem. That is all. Thank you and have a great day.